The Frog and the Butterfly. Once upon a time, a small frog was hopping through the meadow on a summer's evening. He spotted a colorful butterfly fluttering about and he decided to follow her. The butterfly noticed him and quickly flew away. But the frog kept following her until she eventually landed near a pond. He hopped closer and asked her why she had been flying away from him. The butterfly explained that she had thought he was going to eat her due to his size. But the frog assured her that he was far too small to eat anything as large as a butterfly. After hearing this, the butterfly let out a sigh of relief and laughed. The two of them ended up having a lovely conversation and getting to know each other. They shared stories about their lives, and the frog even taught the butterfly some frog jokes which made her laugh. Over the course of the evening, they both realized they had formed a strong bond and had become great friends. They said goodbye to each other with a hug and promised to meet up again soon. From that night on, the butterfly and the frog were always seen together in the meadow, and they would often swim and play in the nearby pond. They were the best of friends forever after. Moral: rushing leads to mistakes. It's better to take your time and be thoughtful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.